Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video, I would like to share a secret video that you're usually not hearing this secret, let's say, from the tutorials that you're following to learn how to code. So let's get started. Usually you've heard it everywhere that just press a button, a red button, and you will instantly master coding. Like you will learn coding in like 1 day, in 2 days, in I don't know, 3 weeks, etc. Something like this. You've probably heard it. But I pressed the button myself. It doesn't work and nothing happened. There is no magic button actually. The thing is that you need to practice consistently. You need to follow a step by step. You need to have a step-by-step progress with a right guidance, and be patient and stay persevere. So perseverance is the key. But here's the good news. You don't need a magic button. You don't need a red button that helps you to pave the way very fastly. You just need to keep going and keep practicing and take one step every day. So in order to learn coding, what you really need is learn the fundamentals of the coding properly, the framework properly. Practice every day, even if it's hard, even if it's 5 minutes a day. Just put that 5 minutes a day, to just practice one coding exercise every day at least. Work on small projects. You don't have to start coding a website, or you don't have to have a huge optimization project with 10,000 lines of code. You just have to start with small projects, so little by little you will get used to the more advanced concepts. Ask questions and stay curious. So no tricks, no shortcuts, just a real learning. Real growth requires perseverance. So now, if you're ready, let's press forward, but this time the right way. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to follow the playlists on our channel, so you will be able to choose what you want to learn and follow the videos in order. Thank you.